everyone, Amy here to complete my third video about my homesteader's wife daily chore job, how I fit it all in. I'm gonna make this one quick because I already did a video on my morning routine and a video in the afternoon of how I pick one place in my house and just focus on cleaning it up for 20 minutes. And then last but not least, after we have fed the animals and had dinner, I will load the dishwasher, start it, and wipe all the counters. I'm so grateful for my dishwasher. I love it. And then I make our own multi-purpose cleaner, which I can share with you down below. I will put the link to that video if you're interested. And then I will fold and put away that laundry from earlier in the day. I always put a load of laundry in the washer in the morning, and then by the time I finish my morning routine, I can throw it in the dryer or hang it on the line. So it has all day to dry on the line, and then at the end of the day, I'll fold and put that away. And it's just one load of laundry, so it doesn't take very long. And then I will pick out my clothes for the next day, kind of according to the weather. If you have little ones, I would suggest laying their clothes out for the next day too, so that your morning is that much smoother. And then take time for yourself. Have a glass of wine. Run through each room of your house and just pick it up real quick if that makes you feel better. Spend time with your husband or read a story to your kids. But do something at the end of the day that fills your soul. And last but not least, remember to go to bed and just be grateful. Have gratitude for your life and your day. And that's it. So I've broken up my daily routine into 3 parts each day that I just focus on getting a few things done and a little bit of self-care. That's not including work life and animal life and cooking and all the other things. But I've used this method of breaking my day into 3 parts for years, and it works for me. So I'm just sharing for others out there who are interested. And we have a really slow internet connection because we do live on a homestead. So I'm gonna try and do some bread recipe videos and also some more animal care videos for those of you that are interested. So until next time, stay well, stay happy, and I send you my love. Take care.